First, turn on this driver. AB drive. Right-click. Extract it into your file. Any plate is also fine. Write it down in a folder. Write down after completion. My computer. D-disk. New folder. This is its installation driver. Double-click. It will show you to install the installation driver. Then local, you have to choose this wired network. Wirelessly select the model of that printer. Cab 4:300p. This one. Okay, next step. Because I've already installed it, so I can just go to the next step. I've already installed it. Then I slightly default. Good installation. Because I have already installed. Then in my option, printer. Inside the scanner, it will have this 300p cap. Then printer properties, appearance. Change this label size for it. Then the ink density is like this and speed. Then apply OK. Then it is in the advanced. The printing default value should also be set to the same. Just this label scale. And then this is millimeters. Set the same. Then confirm. Then confirm. Then I have sent data before now. I'm going to clean it up. This is the clear key. After clearing, send it a test page again. It has passed a test page. Then click this to print manually. It will type 1 out. Then it proves that it is connected. I use an internet cable for this. It is connected with a network printer setting. This setting. It has an interface here. Then click this wired network. Put this IP. This Internet Protocol address needs to be set to your desired IP address. Then click Confirm. Then this is fine. After setting it up, return after the IP is set. Return. Go back and then it's okay. Then on the computer. The network and sharing center. This Ethernet. This changes the adapter and I'm using it now. Then click this, right-click, Properties. Set the IP of this computer as well, IPv4. Then automatically get the following IP address. The printer is 192.168.252. Then the last number is different. 251 is fine. Then click the one below. Then confirm. then confirm, then turn off, press and hold Windows 加2. Also CMD, click Enter. A window is pop up, then input pin space. Enter the IP address of the printer. Then click Confirm, and the internet. It proves that you have connected the printer and the computer. In this case, you can go through that software to send it data. That's it. After setting your printer size, you can send it data through software. Choose that printer. Select this printer in that software. This model is Capsqui X 304P. Now again, data translation. When for there the is printing data machine, press this button to clear it. Then, edit the template with printing software. Then send. File send content. I'll send 300. Then even print. Now data has been received. The data has been received here. Good, the device is now in a standby state. We switch to English. 然后的话, let's click the device to start now. Equipment is working. Then the display filter body. Okay, let's put a product. Labeling. And then this. Labeling position. A front and rear of the label. The smaller the value. Label more front. The larger the value. I'll more set backward it to the label. Now. Then you take a look. It will come backward now. Then stop. Then this is to manually print a label. Click to print manually. It prints one itself. If it prints, it is printed from the printer. I click to print. Just print a label. And there will be one. Then this is the belt. Single step. It can only be used in a downtime state. That is, if I start the order this. It's useless. Just turn it off. It can't be closed. This is useless too. So it can only be used in the shutdown state. Then this is to switch this. Sensor. Turn it off. If running, it won't be labeled. It won't be labeled. There will be no action here. It won't be labeled. Then it won't be labeled. Then shut it down. Now it's about getting the machine going. Enter the running state. First send data to the printer. I have edited the template, so I just need to click this to print. Tap this to print. And then I say I'm going to type 300 then copies. I'll click to it print the data to the printer. 300 copies. Okay, now I point start build run. Change a product. Then it will be labeled once. It will be tagged once. When a product passes through it will turn on the light then label it once. Then this is a labeling position. For example, now
It's
300.
posted here.
I set A 500. Then it will stick to the
It
back.
is
Pasted before and after the pull label position. You see it's tapped to the back now. Only this parameter just adjusts the label position
if it is
and
bright
that's
enough
when this
to
stop
112
is turned
production.
on. It goes to 112. It will sound an alarm. It will sound an alarm. Then this is I/O monitoring. Monitor this signal. Then this is manual. Some manual operations. For example, print 1 manually
I
now. Click to print manually. The printer will manually print 1 out. Then it will come out like this. Then the build is started in 1 step. Close. Then label the optoelectronics. Close. This is useless. That's when I start it now. It won't be labeled. You see it doesn't move here. It won't be labeled. When it opens, it will label. Labeling is general. And then this is an emergency stop. When there is a fault, like it's stuck there, and then you can emergency stop. Then pull it out. The device stop. That's all. Then the home page. Click to enter. This is the output. It can be cleared. Okay, if there is an alarm displayed on this status bar. If you wear the label, you must first open this lid out. Put this label in. Then the label is facing up. Then pass this label of this limit. Then it goes through this label sensor. Then come out. Roll through node 1 to number 2. Go on this board. Go through this pressure plate and come out. Remove excess labels. You leave the backing paper on it. Pass node 3 to node 4. And then here. Open this. Then go through here. And then when it comes to stuff rolling the paper here. Inside the slot. Stuff it into this
Then
slot. Rotate. Then lock it up. Fit this tight. It can be tightened off. Clockwise is loose. Then stop here. Okay, so that's 1. Then put this lid. Put it back. Okay, this is a whole video of wearing the label. To change the ribbon, first we open this print then loose the ribbon. I take it out. Then put it in. Then lock it up. After locking this ribbon, that carbon side up. Must be facing up. It can be printed. Pass this place. Go through here, then circle around. This one is also loose here. Then remove the waste. Then pack it up. Then lock. Then roll it tightly. Roll it up. Roll straight. Close the print head after straightening. Then the ribbon is replaced. That's it. Then go around like this. Then lock it up. This is the same. Loosen up first. Then take it out. Then lock again. Go around again. Then just lock it tightly.